For today's recipe, I'm making a kare-kare. I got sitaw, onion, garlic, mamasita, at saka itong banana blossom, and turmeric. And I got a eggplant. Okay guys, mag-isa tayo ng bawang, sibuyas, garlic, ang kontra sa aswang. Gisa-gisa muna. Then, lagay natin yung beef. Dapat pata to. So, I use my beef. And then mix it. Tapos, 1 cup of water. Okay guys, let it boil. Pakuloyin muna natin tong beef hanggang lumambot. And then, alam natin. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng beef cube. Tapos, atsuwete powder. Optional lang to. Gusto nyo lagyan para may kulay yung kare-kare nyo. And then turmeric powder. And then mix it well. And then guys, lagyan natin ng peanut butter. Magic sarap. And then yung slurry natin, cornstarch and hot water para lumapot. Okay guys, maglagay tayo ng eggplant. Pwede na yung beef natin. Ayan. Then maglagay tayo ng banana blossom. This one. Walang pechay. Oh my goodness. Bumili ako ng pechay, nawawala. Hindi ko lang kung saan ko nilagay. So it's okay. Masarap pa rin ito kahit walang pechay. And then, lagay natin yung kamangyang. I don't know where's my bok choy. I think it's inside my car. I forgot. It's too cold outside. So I don't want to waste my time. Go outside and get my pechay. That's okay. This is still delicious without pechay. Okay. Palambutin natin yung vegetable natin. Just wait. Lagyan natin ng little bit of yum-yum. Okay. There you go guys. My kare-kare is done. It's finished. Malambot na yung beef ko. Oh, yummy. Meron akong bagong. Thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day. God bless. Bye-bye. Take care. Yummy. Lambot.